In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Typeform. If you've been receiving more emails than you'd like from Typeform, or simply want to cut back, you're in the right place. Unsubscribing is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll have successfully managed your email preferences. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Typeform's login page to access your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon here. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this list, you'll want to select Settings. This will lead you directly to your account settings page where you can manage various preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, keep an eye out for the option labeled Email Preferences or sometimes Notifications. Clicking on this will take you to a section where all your email subscriptions are neatly listed. Here, you can see various types of emails you might be receiving from Typeform. These can include marketing emails, product updates, and notifications about forms or quizzes you've been involved with. Now for the unsubscribe action. You'll notice that each type of email subscription you're currently signed up for is accompanied by a toggle switch. If there are certain emails you no longer wish to receive, simply toggle the switch to off. This will initiate the unsubscribe process for those specific emails or notifications. As you do this, keep an eye out for any pop-up prompts that might ask you to confirm these changes. Go ahead and confirm them to ensure your preferences are updated correctly. Once you finish turning off the types of emails you no longer wish to receive, it's a good idea to double check that everything has been saved properly. Revisit the email preferences area to make sure that all the subscriptions you're no longer interested in are deactivated. You should now be free from the clutter of unwanted emails, a little more organized, and maybe even have a cleaner inbox as a result. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should no longer receive the emails or notifications from